Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Marriott Bonvoy app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Marriott Bonvoy is the official travel and loyalty app from Marriott International, designed to help users book hotels, manage reservations, and access exclusive member benefits. The app supports mobile check-in and check-out, digital room keys at participating properties, and real-time updates on reservations. Travelers can browse and book from thousands of Marriott properties worldwide while earning and redeeming Bonvoy points directly through the app. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app for its ease of booking, ability to manage stays on the go, and seamless loyalty rewards integration. Features like mobile key and check-in make hotel stays more convenient, while the rewards program helps frequent travelers save money and enjoy perks. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional glitches with booking confirmations or mobile key access. Customer support responses within the app can sometimes be slow, and room availability or pricing may differ from other travel booking platforms. In summary, the Marriott Bonvoy app may be worth using if you're a frequent traveler looking to streamline hotel bookings, maximize loyalty rewards, and enjoy mobile convenience. However, if you rely heavily on third-party travel deals or need flawless performance, you may experience occasional frustrations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.